Hi Vanessa, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating bar residential roofing services. If you type in roofing Abilene TX, they show up right at the top. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. I know you're probably asking why I would even make you this video to begin with. I just found out a little while ago there's lots of roofing contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. And most people just take this information and do it themselves, which is awesome. Some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I just don't have time to do this. Can you do this for me? That's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, you did a great job on your website. I love this image you have up here that shows like the family, the crew, everybody working together. This is awesome, and it builds a lot of trust. So great job. The font is extremely strong. You've got a nice color scheme that goes throughout the entire website. It's just a beautiful looking website. So great job on the design. Now, what Google cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, all the stuff that you can read. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content. So it's kind of where you want to start, and you currently have 178. So great job. That is a good starting point. And it's not like Bar has a ton themselves. Like they're sitting at 950, so they're not at 1,500 either. So by getting yourself to 1,500, you're going to blow them out of the water, and you're going to look like an authority to Google, but also it's going to give you more room to naturally fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase somebody commonly types into Google and they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled up a couple for you can use here. So like, for example, Abilene TX roofers, 200 people search that every month. So you want to make sure that you have this keyword inside of your content. You can see you don't have that anywhere in here. Or like roofing Abilene TX, 150 people search that every month. You can see you don't have that anywhere in your content either. Roofing companies in Abilene, Texas is another 150 people. You don't have that either. So just make sure you put those keywords inside of your content so you can rank for those and start getting all those free calls. You can also save your images as keywords too. I can't see any images here. It's okay, it won't let me. But yeah, save your images as these keywords too. All right, so that's my first tip for you. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, only because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool you check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to pay for this tool. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this information for free. It says you currently have 7 websites linking to you, so great start. Trust Bar only has 23 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would just copy them, because if these 23 websites are good enough to rank Trust Bar, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these websites the exact same way they did and put a link on each website back to my homepage. A lot of times it's really simple. Like you know, for example, expertise. You hit get listed, you create a free profile, you put your website in your profile, and that's simple. You've got a backlink. Or like over here, 3 best rated, hit list business, stuff like that. So it's pretty simple. It just takes some time. But once you copy all their backlinks and you beat their content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you just need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information like Yelp, BBB, Angie, expertise, stuff like that. So I'd figure out what directories JR American Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. If JR American Roofing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Vanessa. I hope you found this video informative, and Alicia. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of that content. You're going to want to take the websites that are linking to Bar residential roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than JR American Roofing. Alicia and Vanessa, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. It's what many of your competitors are doing. If you decide to go this route, the less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808, and I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Vanessa. I hope this video was helpful for you, Alicia, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you later.